In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call in Google Chat. If you want to quickly start a call with someone you're already chatting with, Google Chat makes the process very simple. This is a useful option when a text conversation needs a faster, more direct discussion, especially for teamwork, quick updates, or resolving questions in real time. I'll walk you through exactly how to start that call so you can do it confidently and without confusion. To begin, go to Google Chat. You can open it in your web browser and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Chat, you'll see your conversations and contacts laid out in the interface. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main chat screen before moving on. This helps you start from the right place and makes the next step easier. Next, find the contact you want to call and click on their conversation. This opens your direct chat with that person. If you already have an active conversation with them, you can simply select it from your chat list. If you have many chats open, it may help to scan your recent conversations carefully so you choose the correct person before placing the call. Opening the chat first is important because the call option appears inside that conversation window. Once you're in the chat, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a video icon there. Click on that video icon to start the call. This will begin a video call directly from Google Chat. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to allow access to your camera and microphone. If that happens, approve those permissions so the call can connect properly. Without those permissions, the other person may not be able to see or hear you. Before starting the call, it's also a good idea to check that your microphone and camera are working correctly, especially if you're in a browser you don't use often. A stable internet connection can also make a big difference in call quality and help prevent freezing or audio delays. And that's it. By going to Google Chat, opening the conversation with the person you want to reach, and clicking the video icon in the top right corner, you can quickly start a call in just a few seconds. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very easy part of your everyday workflow.